Enguuto egi neshuganisa district ya Rubanda Rukiga na Kabale kandi nayo kumaraho sente ziri kwingana biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 9. Minisita w'ihanga ahabwa enguuto Musa Echweru hakwatanise na Minisita Henry Musasizi nibo batongwizeho kukora kw'enguuto egi kandi mukorebire omugomborora ya Nyamweru.
We must connect communities. We must facilitate you to move and trade. Nobody should wake up if you are normal and just sit in your village. You must be able to move with the bananas, move with your cow, move with your milk, move with your coffee, and move.
These are interconnectivity roads aimed at making communities, deep communities, and also various administrative units accessible.
Bwanyuma yo kutongoza okukora kw'enguuto egi abakora bashikira ha mwanya gwa hamurwa aha nguuto ya Kabale Kisoro eyatwirwe omwegyemure kandi eriyo neekorwa bwa hati.
This project is going to be delivered on 16th of February 2024. The contractor is already on ground.
Ugandans are very good in following, and they are going because they need this road. This is a critical artery for Uganda. So what they will want to know is a few days to that. I should be here or General Katumba Wamala to come and say we are finally happy that this road has reopened.
Gukora mu bwahweire bakatugambira imyezi yahwa. None hati katurinde okwa kabiri ko bagamba kongo ogumuhanda bine kumanya ngo no muhanda mukuru munonga kandi abantu barakozesa munonga kandi engineer ogwayundo wahanuye. Turaraba ryo gumuhanda nenda kumandije kuri yari gusupervisinga kugira ngo abantu bakora umurimo gwabo.
Enguuto egi tuyire mu mbeera mbi kandi neteganise by'omushuburo y'abantu.
Emirimo yitu turabanisamo injire gazitengura mwene kunka abarwiri twabona abarwiri turabona okuraba.
Gashoka Job namanyo mu Rubanda.